Hello. So now you can see it's almost more than 1 month, and now you can see these green onions, how nicely they came. And if I measure, see, this is the 20 inches scale, 19 inches. So basically it's more than 19 inches they have grown, and within a month. So it's like a we can grow the all green onion in our home. And now I'm going to cut these. You can see they are falling down, so let's cut a fresh onion. See this one, let's cut one more so that they can keep growing. Oh, there is a very good juice is coming out, something. Might be I can cut this, the biggest one also. They have lot of juice inside right now. So whenever we want, we can cut a fresh green onion. And now they are keep growing, so I will leave it this as such, might be still growing. And it's almost little over the 1 month, and they are all still growing very nicely, green onion. And I think the sunlight is coming from this side, that is why they are all turning this side. And you can see how tall we can grow in only in a pot. And now I have here 3 big onion, and we need to wash them so that we can enjoy in our food or salad, or put it in soup or onion sandwiches. Okay, so this was really nice, my first crop of green onion, which came very quickly. I hope you like it, and if you have anything want to say, please comment. Thanks.